How will the Delhi Deputy CM Manish Sisodia's arrest impact the Delhi government? Let's understand in 4 basic points. Let's first start with how many portfolios the Delhi Deputy Chief Minister holds. Manish Sisodia holds 18 out of the 33 departments in the Delhi government, and these include crucial portfolios such as finance, education, health, excise and also public works department. So these are the crucial portfolios that come under the now arrested Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia. So he holds more than 50% of he's in charge of more than 50% of the total departments in the Delhi government. So question now is, who's going to handle those departments in the Delhi government? Are any MLAs going to be elevated to the post of ministers, or are these portfolios going to be redistributed among existing ministers? So that's the immediate concern for the Delhi government. Who's going to take care of these major and extremely important departments for the Delhi government? It also comes at a time when the Delhi government is going to present its budget in the month of March, and usually of course the finance minister Mr. Manish Sisodia used to present that budget, but now that he has been arrested, it remains to be seen who will take the lead in presenting the budget and overtaking the finance department, the education department and the health department of the Delhi government. Now Mr. Manish Sisodia got 7 other portfolios which are of course included in the total 18 that we're talking about, including the health portfolio, after the Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain was arrested last year. Now it's been close to 8 months since Satyendra Jain has been arrested, and that's why his portfolios were also given to Mr. Manish Sisodia, including that crucial health portfolio. But now he's also been arrested, so let's see who's going to be the next choice. Now number 2, a crucial portfolio that Manish Sisodia held and that he really became a poster boy for is the education portfolio. He is the education minister in the Delhi government, and you must have heard about the Delhi education model. And as the Aam Aadmi Party really pitches to be a national party and really expands in other states as well, they pitch the Delhi education and health model. They say that what we've done to the schools and hospitals in Delhi, that we've made them completely world class, that's what they pitch in other states as well, that we'll change the face of hospitals and schools in other states as well. That's what they pitch when they ask for votes. So the Delhi education model and the health model has been synonymous with the Delhi model, which the Aam Aadmi Party pitches in other state elections as well. And Mr. Manish Sisodia has been the poster boy and the flag bearer of that education model, because of course he was the education minister. So that was one of the strongest points of the Aam Aadmi Party government in their campaigning, and in fact the entire work that they've done in Delhi till now was based on what they've done on education and health, and that's what they kept talking about in other states as well. So Mr. Manish Sisodia of course was the one heading that, and in fact you must have also seen him featuring in international newspapers as well, in the New York Times, for his education model. So he really was the poster boy for the Delhi education model, and now of course he's been arrested. So it remains to be seen how it impacts the Delhi education model, how it will impact the further upgrade of the Delhi schools, and of course the Aam Aadmi Party's pitch in other states as well. Now number 3, let's talk about Mr. Manish Sisodia's connections with Mr. Arvind Kejriwal and how long he's been in the party. He's been with the party, he's a founding member of the Aam Aadmi Party, and he's been with the with the Aam Aadmi Party national convener Mr. Arvind Kejriwal ever since the starting days, since the NGO days. So he is being seen, and he has been seen since the party started, as the number 2 of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. Of course he was a journalist before that, and after that he joined the party, he was a founding member. So he's been seen as a number 2 of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. So that crucial position of number 2, that crucial minister in the Delhi government has now been arrested. So the number 2 of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is now arrested. So that of course raises questions on how the functioning is going to be carried forward from now on. And number 4, and what is important for the larger picture of the Aam Aadmi Party, that the arrest comes at a time when the Aam Aadmi Party is pitching for a national image. You must have heard several Aam Aadmi Party leaders saying that it's going to be Modi versus Kejriwal in 2024, and in fact they're also expanding in several other states. They expanded in Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, they tried to expand in Himachal Pradesh, but of course now they're a national party. And there are also elections coming up in Madhya Pradesh, in Karnataka as well, in Chhattisgarh, where the Aam Aadmi Party was trying to make inroads. And what was really important for the Aam Aadmi Party's political campaigns is that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, the national convener, used to go and carry out these political campaigns and used to head these political campaigns in several other states and pitch for that national image for the Aam Aadmi Party. And he was able to do that, many say, because the Delhi government was being taken care of by the Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia. So now that he is arrested, there are questions that whether Mr. Arvind Kejriwal will have to spend more of his time in Delhi governance and will have to stay here more than focus more on his national plans and on his expansion plans in other states. So that's the larger question when we talk about national politics and how that could be impacted with Mr. Manish Sisodia's arrest. Of course, it's a domino effect that with his arrest, the Aam Aadmi Party's national plans might also be impacted, because he was the man handling the Delhi government when Mr. Arvind Kejriwal used to go out for political campaigns, and now that he is arrested, there are questions of how the Aam Aadmi Party's national campaign is going to go forward now that Arvind Kejriwal's number 2 man has been arrested by the CBI. Those are the crucial points that just break it down for you, how Sisodia's arrest impacts the Delhi government and the entire picture of national politics and the eye to 2024 at large. In New Delhi, with camera person Sushil Rathi, Priyanshi Sharma for NDTV.